What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So in this time I would like to share you how to create this picture, and as you can see, this is the beautiful, let's say, witch, and also there's the swirling energy and also the long stick like this in the middle of the gloomy forest, and also there's the, it's like the light of the fireflies. How to create this one? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, actually to create this picture, you will need the simple prompt guys. And here we will also try to create this picture from the Nano banana. And if you would like to use another platform or another AI image generator, if you can go ahead and you can do the experiment with it. And here we will also share you the prompt to create this picture guys. And if you would like to use this Google AI Studio, then don't forget to do the login first with your email to get this access guys. And after that, you can start to click try Nano banana down here. And after that, I will only use this simple prompt guys. For example, like this, a young female witch with the shimmering stuffs and casting light purple magic in a dynamic swirl. Like this, and also her intense gaze piercing through the mist, delicate robes billowing with the arcane energy, and also dramatic shadows, and also sharp 85mm bokeh and vivid photorealism, and also rich color palette. You can only use this very simple prompt, and after that you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the result over here. Well, basically the same prompt that I used before, like this. And after waiting for maybe only 10 seconds, and after that you can also have another or different picture like this guys, but still in one theme about the create the picture of a woman or the witch with the energy like this guys. So if you would like to get another or the different look, then you can click rerun in this turn in this section or this one. For example, I will click this rerun and kindly wait for the another result. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.